Good evening. My name is Blair Dunkel, and I'm an MBA student at Robert Morris University. Today I'm going to present Coca-Cola versus Southwest Airlines. Coca-Cola history. Coke was created in 1886 by an Atlanta pharmacist, John S. Pemberton. He founded the company Coca-Cola in 1892, and it's headquartered in Atlanta, Georgia. The largest beverage manufacturer in the world. 2,800 products available in over 200 countries. There's only two countries that you can't get a Coke in, Cuba and North Korea. Some important dates in Coca-Cola's history. In 1904, sales hit the 1 million gallon mark. The first Santa Claus with a Coke was in 1931. We all love those around Christmas time. And in 1950, they had their first Thanksgiving Day TV ad. 1982, Diet Coke was created, which my family is thrilled about. And in 2009, Coca-Cola created the Freestyle Fountain Dispenser to allow you to select from over 100 variations of Coca-Cola products. They have three of the best TV ads ever made. In 1971, they came out with the "I'd like to buy the world a Coke." In 1979, Steeler fans will like the Mean Joe Green. And in 1993, the Northern Lights ad. Southwest is a completely different company. They were established in March 15th of 1967, headquartered in Dallas, Texas. They're rated the number 3 rated place to work in the U.S. in 2019. They're currently made up of a staff member of 60,000 people, and they run 4,000 daily flights. They are focused entirely on customer service. They have a transparency is their philosophy. They treat customers fairly, keep their fares low, and bags fly for free. They also don't have any hidden charges. You don't pay for beverages on the drink. You don't pay for pretzels. Some important facts with Southwest. From 1967 to 1970, they were in a battle of lawsuits in Texas. In 71, they finally bought their first 3 airplanes, 737s, from Boeing, and also the money was financed from Boeing. In 1971, also 650,000 shares of stock hit the market at $11 a share, currently over $54 a share. In June 18th, 1971, they began their service in Dallas, Houston, and San Antonio, offering a $20 one-way flight. They called that their triangle. That was their home base. That's where they worked out of, those 3 cities. In 1971, their advertising operating budget went up to over $700,000. And in 1974, they carried their 1 millionth customer. 89, they hit the $1 billion revenue mark. In 94, they came up with ticketless travel. And June 19th of 2019, they came up with the new Southwest Rapid Rewards Priority Card, which took flight and changed the game. Obviously, a lot of other things happened from both companies throughout their time frame, but we don't have enough time to go into those long histories. The market segmentation for Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola targets every person in the world who likes sugared or sweet soft drinks. No matter who they are, they find them and make them their customers. They have a huge social media presence. They like to listen to their customers' wants and need. They're open to the new cultures and scents. They love the local products. They have a passion for unique experiences, and they've been working to be more sustainable with their businesses because that's what their customers want. Their TV advertisements is kind of an interesting one. They don't aim at anyone under the age of 12 years old. If more than 35% of your viewers are under 12 years old, they will not advertise on that show. They've also have different ads to target different groups of people. A couple years back, they had the Share the Coke campaign, which was aimed at younger adults. So you could pull a Coke out and it would say, "Hey Jessica, have a Coke." Brotherly love. Big brother protecting little brother really touched mom and dad's hearts. And who doesn't love the Christmas polar bears? They've been a progressive company with open-minded intellectuals. Their goal is people enjoying life, have fun, go out, try new places, try new things, explore the world. Southwest Airlines does things a little bit differently. Their main goal, their main target person at first was the budget-conscious person and families because of the low cost and the high flexibility. They love having children. They love having families on their flights. They realized they were missing a completely separate target market that they needed to get into, and that was the corporate customer. With the ease of changing flights and the newly designed Business Select class, they were able to take some more of that business person who knows they need to change flights. If your meeting gets out early, you want to catch the early flight to get home to be with your family, you can do that for no fee. Also includes early boarding and early bird check-in. Southwest flights also have Wi-Fi and live dish on demand, which allows the corporate traveler to just be more comfortable. With the pre-check-in and the early bird check-in, you're in the A division, and you get on the plane first. You get to pick your spot, and you have plenty of overhead storage space. The relationships and loyalty with external customers. Coca-Cola has been over 125 years and the customers have changed. They've been able to maintain the connection between people who love the brand and also love to consume the product. They've spent extensive marketing and research dollar on social media. They want to stay connected with their customers. They want to know what the customers are looking for, what they want, what they do, what they feel. That's part of the reason why Coke Zero came to be. There were people who started to care about their health but didn't want to lose the taste of original Coca-Cola Classic. They've also come out with sports drink, juice, milk, and teas. Coca-Cola has been making the product an even more premium. They will not do the bargain process or mass production. They have actually gone the other way, and they're doing smaller bottles and cans with unique packaging. It's encouraging people to buy and create an experience in that packaging and in that glass bottle or the small can. Since 1984, they've given back $820 million to enhance sustainability worldwide. They care about the world. Southwest Airlines is in the customer service business that just happens to fly planes. Flying planes is secondary. Customer service is their primary thing. They want the family approach. They want their customers to continue to use Southwest because they like flying it. You see the flight attendants having fun on the YouTube videos and stuff like that. They want their families. They want everybody to have a positive experience with the flexibility. They have a number of innovative programs which are unique and challenging to keep everyone intrigued. Their loyalty program, their credit card offers points back for every dollar you spend. Bags fly free, no change fees. You can use your points, there's no blackout dates. You can use dollars, points, or both. You can also buy points if you need more. Artificial intelligence and big data with Coca-Cola. The global director of digital innovations, artificial intelligence is the foundation of everything that we do. We create intelligent experiences. Artificial intelligence is the kernel that powers that experience. AI resides in Coca-Cola touchscreen vending machines, customized drinks with shots of flavor. In 2017, they launched Cherry Sprite based on monitoring the data on those machines. They can see what the people pick and they can create it. The machines can also alter their mood based on the location. In a hospital is a completely different environment than at a shopping mall. 90% of the customers make a purchase on decisions based on social media. AI is all about that. Coca-Cola is all about that. Southwest does things a little bit differently. In 2014, Southwest Airlines betters the customer service by using the data analytics within Aspect Software, leading the provider of a fully integrated customer interaction management workforce. The frontline employees will receive real-time performance indicators, KPI, dashboards related to strategic goals. They'll have speech analytics to extract the meaningful information from recorded interactions between customers and personnel, which will help them to deliver an even higher level of service. The digital transformation. Coke has been using augmented reality in their plants. They can help connect technicians to the experts to fix the machines without them even having to be there. They can see it in real time. This allows the managers to be more resourceful, get higher volume, higher quality, and costs. If a machine goes down for even an hour, you're down to hundreds of thousands of dollars, and a person flying in could cost as much as $10,000 to come in and fix that piece of equipment. The airlines is working on the Ops Suite, built by Southwest. It's a Texas-based firm. They've also worked with Mercedes, Capital One, and Neiman Marcus. Southwest, it's a web-based app that will help people get from point A to point B. We need to know where these customers are coming from, how they're getting there. Southwest prides itself on low costs. However, it's an $800 million overhaul, and Southwest just doesn't know that they can absorb that cost without raising price. Personnel. Coca-Cola has a sense of pride in working for Coke. There's opportunities to grow. There's peak performance management process rewards. Coca-Cola University. Who wouldn't want to do that? They depend on every employee in the organization to make it run. They offer one-of-a-kind experiences, including the Olympics and the World Cup. Southwest hires based on attitude, not experience. When have you heard of a company doing that? When you're hired, you're immersed in the customer service of the company. You're trained not only to give good customer service, but you're allowed to. They want you to create your customers like your family and friends. Here's my list of references. I want to thank you for listening to my presentation today on Coca-Cola versus Southwest Airlines. Thank you for everything. I hope I had a great time in class, and have a great holiday.